Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday. Happy Labor Day. Today we are going to be starting this cute bunny. It says Charming Bunny, but I shortened it to Cute Bunny. And we're going to be starting right up in here. I got this from VIPCrossStitch this morning. And the color that I'm using is a gray color. It's number 168. And I'm going to be starting with his ears here. I had to roll it up. I crunched it a bit here, there, and everywhere, just so that it wouldn't be quite so stiff and a little bit easier to stitch on. So, is everybody having a picnic today, or a barbecue, or the last blowout of summer? That's what Labor Day usually has always been. Last time to get together before it gets to be winter and fun times ahead. Oh yeah. Yep. So here we are. I can't believe it's in September already. Oh, and by the way, I've decided, speaking of it being September, I decided for Saturdays it's going to be Sampler Saturday. And when I say that, it can be counted samplers or, you know, the real deal. You know what I mean. And, or, the kind from Joy Sunday that has little things, you know, scattered about. So if you have something in that realm, that is what we are going to be working on. So, yeah. Couldn't think of anything any better, so here we are. Fun times. I am telling you. Yesterday, I did a little bit of housework. I know it's unheard of. And I fixed a steak for dinner, like at night, but because I got one on a good deal, so that was awesome. I'm going to restart this thread here over there because that's quite a distance to go. To take a couple hour nap. I just sat there and vegged, and what did I stitch on? I stitched on Mediterranean. That one I got, I don't remember who I got it from. Seriously. What else? It seems like something else. But I can't for the life of me remember what else it was I was working on. I did pick up a Mount Fuji jigsaw puzzle for like one thread. But other than that, yeah, I just took it easy. I needed a break. It was kind of warm yesterday. I mean, it didn't rain or anything, and the wind wasn't bad. You know, it was sunny all day, so it was good. It was good. So we'll see what today brings at work. Can hardly wait. They either all went home last night, or they'll go home today. It'll be fun. Because the kids I know are out of school because it's a legal holiday, and the banks and the post office are all closed. Yay! No mail. Oh, God. Just what they need is another excuse not to bring me something. Yeah, did I tell you how much I really hate the post office? Oh, goodness. Tomorrow is Floss Tube Day already. Wow. I don't know where last week went. Not at all. So, we will see what this week brings. My friend's supposed to come from Arizona, and they'll be here on Thursday Hold, please. Yeah. Thursday through, I thought I was stitching on the wrong thing. Thursday through Sunday. So, there will be videos. We'll probably go to the hot tub or go out to eat and that kind of thing. Not much goes on. Or sit and veg on the couch and do nothing, you know. We'll have to see, but I didn't even look at the weather for the rest of the week. Not that that makes any difference. We're in Colorado. It could change in 5 minutes. Yeah. So far, it's a sunny day. Oh my goodness, yesterday just went like a blink. Watched a little Netflix, watched some YouTube. Worked on a little bit. Oh, that's what else I worked on. I worked on the beaded poinsettia. For a little bit. But I have to do it at the desk. So, and I didn't go looking at Amazon as to you know, if I could find any more of those sticky mats. I'm sure I can't. That's where I got, like, I must have gotten 25 of them things from there. And I gave them away in giveaways way back. And I only had that one that I found, and it had beads on it to God knows what. They look like precocious beads. I don't know why there were still beads on there. Usually I'd take them off or use them up. So I stitched on that, oh, maybe an hour. Until, like I said, my diamond painting neck started getting to me, so it was like, nope, not happening. We're kind of done, but I got to do it in spurts. So, fun times to be had by all. But just didn't get real serious about anything. Just sitting back and relaxing. So, fun times. I did have the air conditioner on yesterday, and for most of the week, I mean, I'll turn it on for maybe like an hour or two, and then I'll get cold, and then I'll just shut it off, you know, but that's, we're not running it 8 hours a day now, because it gets cooler in the in the evening, so I really don't have to. Gets in the 50s, I'd say mid to high 50s in the evening, so it's not hot. So I'm thrilled with that. That means a lower electric bill for a little bit. And I can go away and leave the house, see, when I go to work and not run the air conditioner. I'll turn it on for an hour when I get home and everything's fine. Unless it's been extremely hot. But I keep that fan running in the bedroom. But 9 out of 10 times the cat's sleeping in another room anyway, so here we are. Yeah. About to run out of thread here. This color almost looks like a pale green, or like a greenish gray. I don't know if you can see that. See, it looks green right there. Like a pale, as you could get, olive green. So I don't know if it's green, olive green, or gray. We got Maria. Where's my... I did use the needles in the kit only because, like I said, another... Oh, I thought that had a little bit of a tail to it, which is kind of unheard of for Joy Sunday. I got my little owl today. He's so cute. Let's see if we can get this puppy started. I think the devil in this picture is going to be the back stitch. For sure. The rest of it, it's kind of nominal compared to that back stitching. But that's just kind of what I feel about back stitching. I'm not a fan. But I thought the picture was cute, so that's why I picked it. And my shoulder's still kind of giving me fits, but at least I can sleep at night. I wake up kind of stiff. It feels like I've slept in one position all night. I love that part. That's special. But other than that, it doesn't keep me awake like it did the last week. It was last week, wasn't it? Oh my goodness. Yeah. I did take a hot shower about an hour before I went to bed. So that helped a lot. I think this thing is about the size of that cat. It's not very big. That chocolate cat, I really like that. I saw that the other day when I was moving things around. It's still in its... over here in my things that I've been stitching on lately. But I figured we needed a new start. You know, we haven't had one in a while. I don't know, I just wanted something small to work on. That's why I didn't start on that big one. Some days I just, nope. Not happening. Not happening at all. Night before, I just fell right asleep. Didn't take me no time at all. Put on one of my little meditation stories, and I don't even remember the story. We do like a relaxation thing in the beginning. That's all I remember. And I was just fried. Done. Ah, come here. I did work the other day a little bit on, what is it? The Colorful Towns. I had to think what it was called. The one that is also with, oh, what is the word? Egyptian cotton. And, you know, I keep adding to it and adding to it. I like stitching on it. I just don't stitch for long, long periods on it for no particular reason. But I like stitching on it, so it gets a few threads now and then, you know. 500 years from now, it might actually look like a picture. So, but it's looking good. I'll show you that tomorrow, you know, in my, what do you call it, floss tube thing. And we'll have a new cup. Exciting times, I'm telling you. Holy cow. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to flip it. Let me see here. just because it's easier. I was going to try to finish one ear, but, you know, I mean, I did all this color on that. So we'll see. I have no idea what color I'm going to pick. Did want to start with a flower, but yeah, that didn't happen. It's down here in this. There wasn't enough of it. I mean, as far as for one color. So that's why we're stitching where we're at. Oh crap. Hold please. There's 3 going down that way, so we might as well get them while we have the color. I hate that. Get done and, oh man, there's like just 2 or 3 by themselves. It's awesome, isn't it? So what's everybody else working on? Hope you're working on something that's fun. Okay, we got all that. Yay. Speeding right along here. If anybody has any pictures, you can send them to my email address, which is in the description box below. And then I'll put them on the next stitch with me so that everybody can see what you're working on, or perhaps whatever you finished. I noticed Jill of Jill Green started a Christmas one. I suppose I started a Christmas one too, that beaded cross stitch. So it's coming along. I don't know if I don't think I'll have time today to work on any of it because I have to go to work. And I really don't want to string it out and leave it out because that's beads. And yeah, I don't need the cat having an afternoon snack on the beads or anything. So we will see. But so far, I mean, I haven't had any problems. But like I said, it's one of those things that's in spurts. So, good times ahead. Come on. Didn't watch anything new or exciting on Netflix. So, yep, just no biggies. Not this weekend. All right. Let me get this puppy turned around. Put that right there for 2 seconds. So I came all the way around there and all the way up there. That's 2 whole strands. And I know there's more of this color like down in here, but it was a little bit harder to see, so we just hit the easy button. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today for this stitch with me. And I'll keep working on it, adding colors here and there, and see what happens. All right, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.